The Man and a Lamp. Once there was a little village, where lived a blind man. Although, he was very blind and couldn't have been bothered by darkness at night. He did, however, always carry with him a lighted lamp when he went out at night. One fine night, he encountered a young group of travelers returning from supper. The traveler immediately noticed he was blind but was surprised he had a lighted lamp in his hand. They began making remarks about him and mocking him. Finally, one of them asked, "Hey, man, why do you have a lantern if you're blind?" "Yes," the blind man admitted, "I am blind and have no vision. And this lamp may not be of any use to me. But bright light being carried by me is for people like you who can see. At night the streets are dark, and you may not see the way. You may even not see the blind man coming and bump into me. That is why I am carrying this lantern." The young travelers apologized for their conduct. Moral: before judging others, we should consider things from their perspective. Always be polite and open-minded.